I made 130,000 US dollars trading one stock in 2024. That was my biggest profit on one stock in 2024. And seeing that the year is coming to an end, I think it's time to talk about our achievements in 2024. And one of my achievements was pulling that number on one stock, and that is Marathon Digital Holdings. I think a lot of you already know that stock because I shared it on YouTube and on Patreon and everywhere else that you guys was listening. And not everybody listens, of course, but those who listened banked, and those who didn't make a cent, and that's your problem. So nothing to talk about here. Guys, how did I do it? That's what I'm here to talk about. I like these car rides, by the way, because you get to see some views. Dubai views, of course. I just don't like when the camera moves, because with every turn I make. Look, the name of the game is volatility. And I like volatile stocks. Not everybody likes them. Some people just like to go into Apple and Amazon and whatnot, make 5% in 5 months. But I like volatility, and the only way I can see volatility is to go into these quote-unquote risky stocks. But I narrow the risk by doing my research and homework. And whenever there's a dip in something, I buy it. Most people see a dip, they stay away from it. Even though they say, I can't wait for a dip. Because they're confident when everything is an upward trajectory. The moment it's down, they sell or they don't go near it. Well, here is the secret. When the overall market is on an upward trajectory, make sure you buy every dip in every hot stock. Not every dip. Some dips are not worthy, like SMCI, right? SMCI was dipping, I think, lost almost all of its value, nearly all of its value, due to the potential of delisting. So that's scary. You stay away from such stocks. However, when Bitcoin is hot, you got mining stocks are hot. And there's certain dips that you have to evaluate and say, is this a real dip? Or is this a dip because of fear? And I think the market will rebound again. You answer that question, you just made a lot of money. See, we're here to problem solve. So that's really it. I bought the dips. I timed my exit. And that's another thing, is you got to time your exit, because you're here to make money. You're not here to bet on the future of a stock like it's going to be the next whatever. I don't care. I care about the next 3 months, 6 months. And whoa. Let's talk about 6 months from now. You have 6 months to really make as much money as possible, because after that, things will get tricky. Things will get tricky to the point day traders will start banking again. And maybe a year later, swing traders and investing becomes a thing again and hot. But I think we ran for a lot, 1.5 years now, 2 years. I think you'll have 6 months, 3 months of just buying anything and it will work out kind of thing. That's what I mean. Because after that, you will really need to be a good stock picker to pick your stocks. Okay? So 130,000 US dollars, guys, on Marathon Digital Holdings. And these were multiple trades. So I was accumulating, for example, some trades I make 50,000, some trades 10,000, blah, blah, blah. That's just one account. The other account I use, I just make spending money on it. Sometimes I want to buy a watch, I go and make a trade to buy a watch because I want to spend the money. This here, I don't really spend. It's just to do stuff with it, just to look at it. But there is a plan to it, guys. There's a plan to make money in the stock market. And it starts with you. Do you call bluff on certain movements in the markets, or do you just, everything that you see, you buy it into? Like, I think I'm not the only one that pulled big numbers, 2024. I think if I share with you a survey I just made recently, not everybody answered it. But most people, 20% plus. Actually, everybody that answered it is 20% plus return. That's pretty good. That's more than a hedge fund in most cases. So, look, guys, don't come in 6 months and say, Zed, teach us how to swing trade. I can't. If the thing is, if we exhaust the rallies, I will have to be very careful on how to pick stocks when things go south, of course, because the first thing that will sell off is all these quote-unquote hot stocks that you guys are buying and think you're cool buying it, and you think you're a genius because you bought it and you're in profit. Yeah, what are you gonna do when it dips? Huh? Are you gonna curl up in a shell like you always do? And then you come back to me and say, Zed, I wish I listened. I wish I listened. Yes. Literally, you know why I closed my Discord group, which had 5,000 traders in it? Because, and you know how I feel. I generally felt like majority of people in there, either they don't want to be there anymore, they're just usernames, or they're retarded. And there's a small handful who ended up following me on Patreon. I think it has 2,000 members. So these people are decent people, right? They're here for that. They're here to make it. So, yeah, you gotta... The market likes to eliminate a lot of noobs, a lot of... I probably shouldn't say the or word here, retarded, because I think YouTube has blacklisted me, whitelisted, whatever. They actually send me a message saying, hey, we seen you wrote, you made this, or kiss my ass. You know, it's my YouTube channel. I allow your businesses to promote on it. So, yeah. Now you know why this channel isn't getting views like it used to. But 130,000 guys. That's the return we made. And it's time for me to go home now. I just wanted to make this video. I'll promise you next time I'll be more energetic, because early morning I'll be more... Just got an alert there of something that's down 20%. I'll be more energetic. I'll be more professional. You better not reverse. You better not reverse. Hey, you as well. All right, guys. I'll see you next time. I appreciate you for watching. Hopefully this little talk, listen, I don't want to drag it on, really. I gotta sign in now. Coolie boolie. There we go. And I'll go downstairs and that's it. Go live my life. 130 G's, baby. I'll give you 1,000 if you comment something nice.